Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making something from my childhood, chicken smothered in onions. But before we dive into the recipe, I want to thank everyone for being a huge part of Fat Boy Cooking. So your support means the world to me, whether you're just trying out the recipe, leaving a comment, or just watching. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that being said, let's grab our ingredients, get our aprons, and make some chicken smothered in onions. So for our chicken smothered in onions, we're going to need some chicken broth, some oil, onions, salt, pepper, and chicken. I'm using thighs, but you can use whatever chicken cut you like. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do is get our onions ready. And so I'm going to be cutting off the tops and the bottom of my onion, and then cutting them in half. And then we're going to peel off the outer layer. And then we're going to cut these into slices. And there we go. So I'm going to continue on and cut up my other onions. And then once we get this done, we're going to get over to our chicken. Now that we've got our onions all sliced up, we're going to need to season up our chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper. So I've got me some kosher salt. And we're probably going to put about a tablespoon or so of salt. And then I'm going to go a little heavy-handed on the pepper. And I'm probably going to go about 2 tablespoons here. And then we're going to give this a good mix. Make sure we get our salt and pepper coated on all our chicken. All right, so now that we've got our chicken all seasoned up, now what we're going to do is we're going to move over to the stove and we're going to start searing up our chicken. All right, so we've got a large Dutch oven heating up over a medium-high heat with a little bit of oil in it. And so now we're going to put our chicken in here skin side down. And we may need to do this in a couple of batches because we really don't want to overstuff the pan or our pot. So we're going to let this cook on each side for about 5 minutes to get a nice sear so we can seal in the juices of the chicken. So we've removed our chicken from our pot, and so now we're going to add in our sliced onions. And we're going to give these a good stir. And what these are going to do, we're going to sweat these down for a few minutes and also use them to pull up some of the good stuff off of the bottom of the pot. Okay, so our onions have been sweating down for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, all the good bits from the bottom have come loose. So now what we want to do, we're going to return our chicken to the pan or to the pot. And we want to bury this in our onions. Let me get my, there we go. this, we are going to add a bit of chicken broth, so we'll have some gravy. Give this just a quick little stir to make sure everything gets covered as much as possible. There we go. So now what we're going to do, we're going to lower this to a simmer, and we're going to cover it till the chicken is done and reaches an internal of at least 165. So this is going to go for about 30 minutes or so. All right, so this has been going for about 45 minutes. So let's give this a look. Oh yeah, chicken is nice and tender. And we're going to give this a quick taste test. Perfect, just how I remember it. So now we've got us a bowl with some nice hot rice, and we're going to get us a thigh. And we're going to get us some of this smothered onions. I'm getting a little more because I really do like this. All right, and there we go. All right, so let's get us some chicken smothered in onions. Give this a good mix. Oh man, this brings back some major memories for me. The piece of chicken. Oops. Sitting here making a mess. That's all good. What I like to do, I like to add me just a tab of Tabasco to mine, just to kick it up just a bit. Just a quick mix up. Oh yeah, this is just so good. I am going to be eating good tonight. So I hope everyone enjoys the recipe. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching. And I really do hope you enjoy this recipe that I made. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more cooking inspirations. So until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And I'm going to finish off my chicken smothered in onions.